I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Balasubramanian, coming from Chennai. I work in the Department of Anesthesiology in Savitha Medical College, Chennai, as an associate professor. And I wanted to pursue, get exposed to pain management, and it was very useful in Daradia. From the basics, in a structured way, in a disciplined way, they have been able to do it. I've done my basic pain management, musculoskeletal for 6 months, and also pursuing advanced pain management. And this workshop was very useful because it's each and everyone got an opportunity to do an hands-on. So the same thing can be made into a curriculum in anesthesia for the budding anesthetists, I believe. So that's my thought. It was a wonderful experience, wonderful faculties, a lot of concept, knowledge inserted into us, and hope we get a chance to be a very pain physician as well, for expanding our armatorium as an anesthetist, being in pain management, pain physician. Thank you.